There is a lot that you will need to know about the way that this program works so that, when you start, you will know what to expect and what you will be taught and how it will be useful for you. That is what this review is all about, and when you start, you will see its benefits. The main secret of this program is resetting your hormonal balance through sleep and eating certain foods in the beginning. When you are trying to eat, you will have it easy because you will not have to watch what you eat all the time as you follow this guide. This is because it has listed everything that is important to make sure that you get your metabolism started again, control appetite, and improve energy. This is not something that is pulled from God knows where, but something that has taken the study of foods and hormones, and the way that they work. This means Todd Lamb has something here that will make sure that, even when you are feeding yourself, you are burning fat. What will you learn from Eat Sleep Burn? When you start mastering your hormonal balances, it will make everything else so much easier to do. Hormones drive our every function, but we tend to forget about them. Most of us don't know how they work, that's why this guide is really helpful. You will learn about the intense impact that cardio exercises have on your body and why you need to take it down a little and do other things for a healthier body. When you are resting from a workout, there are processes that happen in the body that help. This guide will show you how to boost their positive effects and health impact. There is a lot that happens when you go to see a chiropractor and masseuses. These are useful, and we'll see why. But we have to be careful because, if we take their work lightly, we might actually harm our metabolism. Also, with a restoration of your hormonal balances, you will ignite your natural fat-burning processes. That is something that you will find to be very useful. As you can see from the list above, you will find all the things that you need to make sure that the experience you get is perfect. There is no better program that you can use when you need to burn fat without suffering. That is what we all want, and that is what you will get when you have this one. Maybe you are thinking you'll sweat in your sleep or something, but it's from that. What happens is that, contrary to what many people think, sleeping is actually great to lose weight. See, once you get into a regular sleeping cycle, or at least a healthy one, your body starts fixing itself. With the help of basic exercise and a diet high in nutrients, the body's chemical reactions start to affect its inner workings. In the end, what happens is that your body stops producing certain hormones in excess, like cortisol, which stores fat in your belly. At the same time, it starts producing other hormones that use your fat as energy and control your appetite. In essence, sleeping well is one big part of this, and it's easier than you think. Unless you have a baby, then there's no way. A change of life. Say, have you noticed that many people get bariatric surgery and then get fat again? Well, this is because their hormonal imbalance is still high. So, even though their stomach is smaller, their brain acts differently. They change their bodies first, then their hormonal problems. This guide, as stated in other reviews of Eat Sleep Burn, works the other way around. First, you fix your hormonal imbalance, then you change your body. So, the changes are not so drastic at first, but they are forever. You stop having that invisible force pushing you to do what you don't want to do.